Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J, and on this channel we talk a lot about home decor and a little bit of lifestyle. So if that's your kind of thing, I would love it if you subscribe, and don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. My name over there is MyJessicaJ, or you can click the link down below. In today's video, we're finally doing our holiday home tour. I'm a little late with this one, you guys. Just things kept coming in a little later than expected, but that's okay. We made it, and I'm excited to show you guys what I've done. So if you guys are ready to see my holiday home tour, then keep on watching. So we'll start with what I did right here behind me. So I actually don't have a fireplace or a mantle, so I just decided to kind of give that same kind of vibe and feel to my sideboard. You can't bring in that feeling without some type of garland, so I decided to go with this. I believe it's a faux cedar. I got it from Marshall's for a steal. I ended up getting it for about $24. It's very realistic. The price is amazing. I did add in some of these faux berries that I got from Target. I just kind of cut some of the berries off of the stem and stuck them in just to kind of give it more dimension. I think the theme of my Christmas decor videos are adding some type of DIY project in there, and that's exactly what I did with these trees right here. I picked these up from Hobby Lobby last year, and I actually spray painted them last year, but this year I want to go with a very white, gold, and clear crystal or glass theme. So I did spray paint them all white to go with the theme a little bit better. And then I added these little homes from Target. They were in the $5 section. Shout out to Target for always having some good decor pieces in the $5 section. And then I added these very chic, minimal, modern snowmen from CB2, very affordable, and I think it just adds such a nice touch to the area. And then I also picked up these ornaments from CB2, and I just added those in there. They're supposed to be like snowflakes. Now you can't forget about some lights to really add that sparkle effect, and I really love how it came out. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells ring and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing, that bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bells. Welcome to my living room. You guys saw this last in my fall decorate with me video. So basically I just pretty much switched some pillows around. I added a new pillow, which is this cute little snowman pillow. I basically stalked the Pottery Barn website until they released that thing. Like, I just really couldn't wait to get my hands on it, and I just love it. You can take the scarf off, and I'll show you guys what it looks like without it. I do feel like he needs something, some kind of scarf on, whether you want to buy a separate bow and tie that on him, or just keep this scarf on him. You can switch it around, and it's like more of a gray and white and red side. I did have to move my accent chair so that my Christmas tree could fit in the area. So I just took the throw that I had on that chair. I actually got this for fall, but I thought that this could go for fall or winter. I think it's perfect. I love this tone of brown. It's beautiful. I'll link this one down below if you guys are interested. And then I think Westum has the like almost exact same thing, and they have it on sale. So I'll link both of them down below. But I just think it adds that warm, cozy vibe for Christmas, and I love it. So my coffee table, I did switch some things around. I took my Architectural Digest book off, and I added my Simplicity book with my For the Love of White. And I just think that the black and white is just perfect. It's so me, it matches my decor. So I love that. And I just topped it with a Sand and Fog candle. It's in the scent Apple Cider. It is so yummy, I love it. And then this little tree I got from Target. I did share that a little while ago. So if you guys were interested, or if you guys like that, hopefully you guys were able to get your hands on it. And then just the wood cutter. I think the wood cutter makes a beautiful accent piece or decor piece for you to leave out, but I actually do use it daily or whenever I light my candles. It prevents the wicks from creating that black smoke, and it gets all over your candles. So wood cutters are very essential if you are a candle lover like myself. And then I did add this Kinfolk book. I did take the cover off for this brass footed bowl over here. It's from CB2, and I pretty much just kept the same vibe as I did for fall. If you guys watched that video, I had pine cones with some cinnamon sticks, and I just took the pumpkins out and I added this beautiful ornament from CB2. I saw this in the catalog and I thought it was beautiful, but I just did not want to do a black and white Christmas again this year. But I mean, Come on. So I just had to have at least one. I actually wanted this one, and then they had a shorter one, but it was sold out. I was too late. So I just got the one, and I just added that in there, and I think it just adds a nice little touch. It's gorgeous. And then I added my, I think this is from Studio McGee, but it is a threshold if it's not Studio McGee, vase from Target. I got a little while ago, and then I just added these faux branches I got from Target, as well as the white berry stem. I just added one of the stems, and then the rest I actually cut up and I used for my garland. So I couldn't forget about the hot cocoa bar. The kids love this. So I added some homemade cookies. I did have the gingerbread cookies in there at first from Trader Joe's, but I switched it out. I feel like, you know, you can't start the holiday season off without making some homemade cookies. I mean, if you know how to make them. So I decided to whip some up. And then of course the bar, I just kept it really simple. I had bunny tails in here before, so I switched it for these. I have to put the name on the screen. I forgot what they're called, but I just love the deep red and the green. I think it just reminds me of Christmas. And then I just kept everything else the same. I'll have all this linked down below if you guys are curious about any of this stuff. This is actually discontinued from CB2, but there's a very similar one at Crate & Barrel, so I'll have that one linked down below. And of course my ornament candle from Target. So over here I did switch out the painting and I put this one in here instead. And then I have my HomeGoods pedestal bowl. It's our fruit bowl. I just kind of dumped our nuts in there, and then I have some avocados. I have our salt. This is called Salt Cellar. I think that's what it's called, from Crate & Barrel. The frame is from Target. And then I have, this is actually a vase from CB2. I just cleaned it out and I'm using it as a utensil holder. Over here, I have my Athena Calderon book. I think it's called Cook Beautifully. And she has the recipes for every season and beautiful, beautiful photography in here. So I just turned it to this page. I love the greenery and then the black, the tablescape. I mean, it's everything. And then I just popped my ornament here. This is from Pottery Barn. I got it last year. It was a gold color, but it looked more like antique-ish. So I did spray over it and just made it all one uniform gold color, and I love it. You could add something fun over there. I always have this cutting board here, and then I just have this pedestal I got from HomeGoods and this aqueous candle in, I think it's mandarin and tea. It smells so good. I think it'll be a really good idea to drape some garland over this picture. It's really large. It's like 4.5 feet by 4.5 feet, something like that. So I'm gonna drape this, and I might have to stick some extra picks in here to make it a little fuller. We'll see, but let's start with this. So I did switch this area up. I bought some mixed greenery from Walmart actually for $4.99. It was a mix of cedar, pine, and I just assembled it in this CB2 vase, and I really love how it looks now. So the kitchen island is like a hangout spot. So I have candy here. So our guests can help themselves to some almond rokas, and I just love the wrapper. Of course, it matches my house, so I thought that was a perfect little touch there. And then of course my other CB2 vase and these faux branches from Target. They are gorgeous, and I had to bend them a couple times down there. They're really, really long, and they were only $5. I think I have 3 in the vase. I got the footed cutting board from HomeGoods, and I did stain it a walnut color, so it's a little bit of a darker color. Over here, I have my geranium and bergamot hand soap and hand lotion. It smells so good. It's from Crate & Barrel, as you guys can see. They have other scents too if you're into eucalyptus, or I think they have like lemon and lavender. We got our tree from Amazon. It's a 7.5-foot tree. Our ornaments are a mixture of places high and low. We have CB2, Hobby Lobby, I think Walmart, and maybe Target. We used some from last year, and I don't really remember where we got them from, but my favorite ones are these clear glass ornaments from CB2. They are just so gorgeous. They also have another size. It's like double the size of this one, and I think I'm gonna order them. I might try to hold off and just wait until after Christmas, hoping they'll still have them, and just get them on clearance, because I'm happy with how the tree looks right now, but I think that adding the bigger ones like this would just really take it to the next level. I also added this acrylic bead garland from Amazon. You guys, it was a steal. It was meant for weddings and centerpieces, but I just thought that it would go perfectly on the tree. Our tree collar is from last year. I got the tree collar from Hobby Lobby. I didn't order my tree topper in time. It actually matches these star ornaments. So I might have to actually drive to a CB2 to pick it up, or we'll just go with something else for next year. But I love how it turned out. Pretty much just kept the same type of vibe I had going on from the Thanksgiving tablescape. I really liked the centerpiece, and I just figured I would just use the same pieces that I used from that tablescape, but I did want to add in more of a whimsical Christmas vibe. So I did add the little glass Christmas pieces from Target. I have the small one and 2 of the large ones, and then I have my Crate and Barrel hurricane glass, and then these 2 are from Walmart. And then the little tea light holders over here, I have 3 of them on the table, are from CB2. I'm just going to add these cedar stems that I got from a wholesale flower market. I was also trying to find some of those white berries at the flower market. They didn't have white, they just had a berry color, and they had the red. So I decided to get some baby's breath and kind of emulate that same type of feel. So I'm gonna cut some of these off and then add them throughout the cedar. All right, that is my holiday home tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down below what theme you went with this year. Did you go with a red and white theme? Did you go with a very organic theme? Did you go with neutral theme? Let me know down below. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in a new video soon. Bye.